Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent these. This is a 20 pack of these coin cell batteries. This particular version is the CR2032, which is a really standard size that you might find in, say, things like replacing batteries in your keys. And these work out really well because it comes in a nice sealed pack. It's very thin, and because it's got that 5-year shelf life, you can buy these once, then tuck them away, and they'll be there when you need it. You can cut through the strips if you just want to keep a strip of them, which is nice. They've done that. They even provide little areas where you can cut, or you can just pop open a corner and simply just pop these directly out of here. There's not a lot of heavy packaging or anything to get into. You just pop them out like that. Then you've got your battery, and you can simply install it. It's got the markings on here very clearly shown. That's a plus on that one there for your positive side. And then, of course, you got your back side. That way you always know which one is the plus and which one is the minus because it's easily marked on there. And it's also extremely legible, the CR2032, so you don't get it confused with a different size battery. This is a very nice set that would work well in pretty much anyone's home.